Hi friends, welcome back. Now we are going to start what we have to do. Orientation we have done now, right? What, when, how, and finding your why. This is all about day one. Means what? What are you going to get from this session? When, how, and finding your what, when, how, and what. क्या मिलेगा आपको? When कब मिलेगा? How कैसे मिलेगा? And finding your why. What is your why? Why you have to work? Why you have to wake up 5 a.m.? Why you have to just kill your procrastination? All this thing you are going to get in this video. My dear friends, now what? Come to the first point. What? Get rid of procrastination forever. What are you going to get from this program? You are going to get rid of your procrastination forever and start building your dream life. You are going to kill your procrastination forever and you are going to build your dream life. You will say, Jyoti, why I have to build my dream life? My dear friends, that you know, I don't know. I know why I have built my dream life and why I'm with you with this content. Okay. My dear friends, I'm telling you, in starting even I thought to charge at least 99 rupees for commitment by which people should be here and they should be committed to complete the homeworks. But I found in some of the programs I charge that amount, and that's not fee or anything. My dear friends, what is my knowledge and what I am, that might be you don't know. Okay. For an hour we can charge a lakh rupees also, but those amounts are only for being committed. Okay, being committed means if you will spend even 1 rupee, then you will be a little bit serious for that. Yeah, I have to do this, but that was the reason, nothing else. Okay, but I root out that reason also because I found some of the people has hesitation for going to that level also. That's why I made it free. So please don't take it granted, because quality, if you talk about quality, you are going to get more than whatever you have hoped for. Okay, so just be ready to change your life. Be with me, right, my dear friends? What you got? Okay, now the matter comes. My dear friends, what is procrastination? Why I have to kill the procrastination? Okay, my dear friends, here, putting off or postponing tasks with delayed gratification. When we put off all the tasks or whatever we decide to do, and after that we make the delayed gratification, means I'll do it later on. Now whatever work is in front of me, that is more important for me, so I should work this. After completing this, I will do that. I will do it after 1 hour, I will do it after 1 day, I'll do it after a week, I'll do it after a month, I'll do it after a year, I'll do after 2 years, 3 years, so and so on. And in this way you have seen a lot of people reach to their graveyard also, and after that they say, hey, so sorry, I did not complete my task, now you do it from behalf of me because I was a father, mother, lover, whatsoever. Okay, please don't go till that level, my dear friends, if you are here. Okay, kill your procrastination, do whatever you want to and change your life, right? So next thing, my dear friends, what is procrastination? Why we do procrastination? Because we are addicted to instant gratification. Because we are addicted to instant gratification means what, my dear friends? We always want immediate gratification or immediate satisfaction. Okay, when we do anything, for example, we delayed the work because we think something whatever is in front of me that is more important, that thing can be done later on also. Because might be when you will do that thing, that impact or the outcome of that work will be not soon in front of you, it will take time. Okay, that's the preparation time. So the main thing is what, because of we are addicted for instant gratification, that's why we do the procrastination. Okay, because we think right now whatever work is in my hand, that is more important than that work, so I'll complete this after that. But you will find many time it happens, the work which we keep procrastinating day by day or a week by week or a month by month or a year by year, that work if we would have done at right time, then that work was going to change your life, my dear friends, at 360-degree level. Okay, now the next thing which is very much important for you, what is that? How to kill procrastination. How are you going to kill procrastination here? And that is, my dear friends, killing procrastination is like getting nail cut. Okay, when we are going to cut our nail or when we are going to for our haircut, what happens, my dear friend? It is very easy. Okay, but you will find a lot of people, they say, I'll do it later on. Okay, I'll do next day, like that. Okay, why? Do you think when we will cut the hair, is there any pain or anything like that? Or when you cut the nail, is there any pain? No, there is no pain. Okay, but the procrastination comes because we are human beings and we are made in such a way by which we do all these things many of the times. Now, my dear friends, it seems to be the way life we have taken, or you can say that it seems to be the way of life until you decide to do something about it. Okay, so it has been said, Tony Robbins says that in a moment of decision, destiny changed. In a moment of decision, destiny it changed up. For you, for me, might be it's a sentence only, but for him it's a change of destiny. So if you will decide to change your destiny, you will. Nobody can defeat you or nobody can change you. So take that decision right now to kill your procrastination, right? Now, my dear friends, the most important thing is that how to kill the procrastination. Jyoti, how will I kill the procrastination? As I told you, my dear friends, it seems to be the way of life until you decide to do something about it. But it seems to be difficult, even dangerous, but it actually painless. My dear friends, even here it is painless, we know, but we postpone it, okay, without any reason. Sometimes you will see people nail also. So big people, family members will say, hey, you go, what are you doing? Cut your nail. Then say, yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. And people enter sometimes, there are people, some people, I'll keep it for fashion. That's the different story with them. Okay, the next, my dear friends, you need expert help to get it done. You need expert help to get it done. You will say, it can be done by myself. Then I will say, then you would have done already. If you were able to kill your procrastination, then you would have killed, you would have been not here. But if you are here, believe in me, my dear friends, you need an expert who can help you, right? And next thing, my dear friends, both when done makes you feel good about yourself, okay? And when you kill your procrastination, that it gives you tremendous happiness from inside, my dear friends. You feel so much, fulfilled from inside, and your all your own self gets happy. They say, hey Jyoti, you have done something, or they will say, hey Hari, you have done something like that. Okay, the next thing, my dear friends, how to remove procrastination. How are you going to learn here to remove procrastination? My dear friends, here, understanding the hard truth, you will understand here the hard truth why we are procrastination. Then realizing your values, you have to realize your value. When you will realize your value, my dear friends, then it will be only which will help you to kill your procrastination. Because we have not valued that work, we have not valued that thing which we are procrastination. That's why we are procrastinating till now. Okay, next thing, finding your why. We need to find our why. Why I need to do this work, why I need to write my book, why I need to succeed, why I need the increment in my salary, why I need financial freedom, why I need better relationship, why I need stress-free body and disease-free mind. Okay, so my dear friends, all these things are very much important, and the why factor. Okay, so find your why you want to kill your procrastination. And my dear friends, take action now. You need to take action now. Friends, I told you, so what you understand here, you have to find your why. Now take a pause, just pause the video for 5 seconds, write your why. Why? Don't write in pages, write in 2 words. Why? Because of finance, because I want a good health, or your why may be spiritual awareness, or your why may be getting succeed. You know what is your why, right? The next thing, my dear friends, now we have to understand the hard truth, the difficult truth of life. And what is that? Nobody cares who you are, my dear friends. Remember, nobody cares who you are. Stop blaming or being a victim like everybody. Even there were points, or there were times when I was also victim of that. This is not my mistake, this is others' mistake, this thing is not done, not because of me, but because of those, my relatives, because of my friends, because of my a lot many people. But my dear friends, remember one thing, nobody cares who you are. Okay, it's the fact. Even your family members, a time comes in our life, we see everybody does its own work, we all are engaged. Okay, we are brothers and sisters. Okay, but if you are in my age, you will find how many times we communicate with our brother and sister, or the family members or parents. Okay, you will find very less, very few. Okay, so my dear friends, the fact is what? The fact is something. Give me a moment. Sir, can you close the door? Because the lift is noising a lot. Main door, please close it. So now, dear friends, what happens? I told you here, okay, nobody cares who you are. until you become something special. Okay, the next thing is that stop blaming or being a victim. Stop it. These problems are in my life not because of me, because of my mother, brother, sister, wife, children, society, country, lockdown, corona, but this disease, that disease, all this all are, my dear friend, this all are stupidity, I'll say. What is the fact here? I'll say, my dear friend, the fact is here only one thing, and that is what? That is, whatever has happened in your life, that is because of you. Please accept it. Whatever life you are living right now, whether you are satisfied or not satisfied, whether you are living fulfilling life or half-hearted life, it's only one person is for, that is you. Please take the responsibility of your life. And my dear friends, remember, the world only responds to your action or what you produce. The world only responds to your action. Means whatever action you have put, it is only responding to that. Nothing else it is aiding from in behalf of itself. Okay, if you are doing good actions, you will get good result. If you are doing something bad actions, you will get bad result. It's simple. Next thing, you are what you do. You are what you do. So just whenever you are going to do something or you're committing to do something, see yourself, okay, and see your action, okay. What action you are going to take? Is this action is going to mend your life, or is this action is going to break your life? Okay, and just take decisions according to that. My dear friends, the next you can say that perception you have to understand here, that is, realize your values. You have to realize your values. What are your values of your life? My dear friends, remember, we are taking our life as a granted. Okay, why I'm saying this thing, my dear friends? Remember, right now, if I'll ask you, are you happy with your life, satisfied with your life? Some of them, I think in 100, one will say, yeah, I'm okay, I'm happy. 99 will say, no, I'm not happy. This is the result. Okay, 98% of people will complain. I told you to whom you will complain. Now the matter is that, my dear friends, why this complaint? And we say, oh, we did not get succeed in terms of finance, or in terms of education, or in terms of relationship, or in terms of spirituality, or whatever is your requirement, okay, in terms of career. And after that, when I ask you why, then in why you will give so many reasons. Okay, this, that. Okay. Now the thing is that, my dear friends, remember one thing. I'm telling you, whatever is important to get succeed, God has given you. God has given you. And what is that? I'll say, my dear friends, in that there are some few things, the nature, the support of nature. Okay, nature has given everybody day and night equally. Nature has given everybody 24 hours a day. Okay, nature has, I'll say 98% population, 95% population is common human being. Means we have 2 feet, 2 hands, 2 eyes. We are common human beings. Remember, the person who is physically challenged, okay, a person who doesn't have hand, or a person who doesn't have feet, or a person who is blind, or a person who is deaf, okay, are we in one of them? No, not at all. So why are we taking our life as a granted? My dear friends, you go today, you watch a video, Nick Vujicic, okay, Nick Vujicic, if you know, the man who has not both the hands, he doesn't have his both the feet, and he is one of the best trainer in the world. When I watched him 13 years ago, a trainer shown his video, my dear friends, I was just boiled on, okay, and I found, oh my God, what a man he is. And after that, I remember one thing. Once Nick Vujicic, he's a trainer, he's a world-class trainer, and he speaks on Bible also. He's a very good preacher. Once a person asked him, Nick, how did you do this? How did you do this? The people who are common, or people who are very smart, they are not able to do such things which you are doing. The Nick responded with one statement, and you know what Nick said? Hey, when Jesus Christ has hand and feet, people hanged him on cross, but I didn't have anything, so what will they do with me? What this world will do with me? Did you understand? जीसस क्राइस्ट के पास तो हाथ पैर थे तो उनको सूली पे लटका दिया, लेकिन मेरे पास तो वो है नहीं, तो मेरा कोई क्या कर लेगा? Understand what a reverse paranoid this man is, what a perception he has, what a level of understanding he has, my dear friends. Okay, and this was something amazing for me too. I was very much impressed by this statement of Nick Vujicic. The next thing is that, my dear friends, what is that? You need to understand, you are fantastic, you are precious. And my dear friends, you have to understand you are a creation of nature and you have everything whatever is need to get succeed. Okay, first of all your body. If you are a normal human being, you are watching me, please bless yourself. Okay, क्योंकि if somebody is going to tell you, hey, I'm going to give you 100 crores but I want one of your body part, hand, feet, eyes or anything, are you ready to give him? No, are you full? Get lost from here. I'm not going to give you. So what is important? Being a human being and being normal is important, or getting a lot of money is important? And what I'm telling you, my dear friends, what is the motive? The motive is that if you have if you are a normal human being, then you have everything, and try to try to just manifest all these things. My dear friends, give me a moment. I will close the door and come. Okay, he is using earplugs, so he's not able to hear my voice. Give me a moment. Yeah, I have done my job. Sorry for that. Okay, friends, the next thing you need to know, you are fantastic, precious, and you're a creation of nature. And my dear friends, nature treats everybody in same way. Nature does not make any difference with the king and with the beggar. Nature has to give beautiful breeze, beautiful flowers, okay, beautiful atmosphere, surrounding, oxygen, trees, plants. They treat each and every human being with the abundance. Okay, they never say, I will give the fruit to the king, I will not give fruit to the beggar. They never say that. Okay, we only decide to whom we have to communicate, or to whom we have to make friendship, to whom we have not to make friendship, like that. Okay, my dear friends, I'll ask you a question. What do you think? What do Mukesh Ambani, Bill Gates, or you can say that Warren Buffett, all these people have common, which we have to? Means the big billionaires, it may be Ratan Tata, it may be Ambani's, it may be Bill Gates, it may be somebody else. Okay, so what is that one factor which is common, which he has and which I have? Did you get the answer? I think some of them, my dear friends, that factor is 24 hours a day. That 24 hours is with them and with us, but they are using at his level, they are maximizing it, they are using it for his own sake and for his family and other body, but we are not using somewhere all those things at a right level. So we need to monetize our 24 hours, my dear friends. Okay, and we have to calculate it and we have to spend it like, I'll say, my dear friends, please spend it like it's the most valuable, precious moment with you. But we all are taking it as a granted. Why granted? Watching news, watching reality shows, watching a lot many stupid things where we are wasting our time in Facebook, social media, this and that. I'll say, my dear friends, if you are using your phones, use your phone for monetizing. Don't use phone for getting monetized. Okay, means if you are using your phone, you are definitely spending your time, my dear friends, but please find it out where you are killing your time and kill that thing, that activity. Okay, use it for good things and for I'll say, just use it for your growth. Don't use it for your degrowth, right? The next thing, finding your why, my dear friends. Why? You need to understand why you have to kill your procrastination. My dear friends, I remember, what is my wake up timing? My wake up timing is 4:30 a.m. normal, okay, but I'm making it at 3 a.m. Because 3 a.m. is Brahma Muhurt, and I have a desire for a long time, and I'll say in a week, 3 days I wake up by 3 a.m. and rest of the days between 4:30 to 5 a.m. Right? But I will make it very soon at 3 a.m. because 3 a.m. I want is for continuity. I don't want today I have to wake up tomorrow not. But many times it happens when I go to bed not before 12. Okay, this is also a fact. But now I have reduced the timing. I'm going to bed by 11:30 almost, because I'm not taking nap or I'm not taking rest in the afternoon. So definitely I get tired, so I have to go early between 11 to 12. Okay, but earlier, so even if 3 a.m. why I don't get up now, you can understand. Because if I'm going to bed by 12, then waking up 3 is not very good, because at least 4 hours of sleep, 5 hours of sleep is important. Okay. So now here, but you will say, why? I have many reasons. I have explored many fields. I have a lot of knowledge, and still I have many things to do, read, and design my course, and my time is totally packed up, my dear friends, and nowadays I don't get time to call even from my very close people, my family members and all. Even my mom, I speak twice in a week. Okay, earlier she used to speak with me at least once in a day. Okay, so but the thing is that why? Because I'm reducing all these things because I know sometimes it takes time. Okay, it kills time also, because when we speak then we become casual and we spend half an hour, 30 minutes like that. So that's not good at all. So here what you need to do, my dear friends, you have to find your why you have to wake up early in the morning. Okay, and find this reason you want to live your dream life. Okay, find the reason and please match that reason or relate that reason with your dream life, my dear friends, to give your loved ones of the time, the gift of the environment and the pampering they deserve, my dear friends. And you can give your best time with your family members. For example, if you talk about my mom, she's the most special person for me. But daily, actually nowadays I'm so much busy, and she's very understandable lady. Okay, so if she knows I'm busy, she wants to speak with me, but she won't call sometimes. Okay, but a vibration starts. When I feel like that she's missing me, I will call or she will call me. Okay, but some of them, I'll say for normal people, they are so much engaged with social media and other things, they don't have time to speak with their children, wife and other people. Okay, so please, when you will reduce your time in faltu activity, in vain activities, okay, then you will get time for your family. So please give that time to your family members. The next thing, my dear friends, find your why with some more reasons. Okay, and what is that reason, my dear friends? And that reason is, I'll say, to give back to this fantastic world in any form. Okay, if you will find your why, then you will be able to serve the world in a better way. And my dear friends, I'll say, to be remembered as a legend in your field. You will be a legend in your field, whatever you do, my dear friends. What is your life's mission now? This will be your homework for today. My dear friend, what is your life mission? You have to write your life mission. Okay, and write, I want to live my dream life because. You have to write here, I want to live my dream life because, and give the reason why you want to live a dream life. Because when you will give that reason, then only you will be able to live your dream life, or you will be able to train your neurons yourself. You will make them aware, your body, why they have to wake up early morning, and after waking up what they have to do, all this activity. Definitely I will give you the activities what you have to do in coming days. But today, what is your assignment? Your assignment is one, that is, you have to find your why, and you have to write, and you have to post it in the WhatsApp group. I want to live my dream life because. I want to live my dream life because. Okay, आप अपना dream life क्यों जीना चाहते हो? Give that reason. Okay, that reason, maybe you want to give time to family, you want to increase your income, you want to increase your relationship, you want to get a good health. Okay, it may be anything. It's up to you why you want to become, why you want to live your dream life, my dear friends. So now you find your why. Okay, so just what you have to do, you have to write, I want to live my dream life because, and you have to post it in the WhatsApp group, right? First you watch the complete video, after that you have to go for the posting. If you are having trouble finding it, ask yourself these two questions. If you are getting trouble, means if you are not able to find the reason, your why, then ask two questions. What are the questions? What would you do for the rest of your life even if you were not paid for it? Means, what would you do for rest of your life even if you're not paid for that? Means, what would you like to do even if you're not getting money for that, but you want to do it forever? Means that thing, that work gives you happiness. And my dear friends, what else you have to ask? You have to ask one more question, and that question is, my dear friends, that is, how, what is the reason why you want to change your life, or what are you missing in your life for a long time, okay, which you want to get it from this program or this procrastination killing habit. Okay, means, what is one thing, I'm asking you one thing, what is that one thing which you love most and you want to get it? It may be money, it may be a relationship, it may be your health, okay, it may be going on tour, or whatever one thing, okay, you want to get it anyway, and when you will get it, you will feel fulfilled from inside. My dear friends, now I'm giving you again two assignments, and that assignment is what? Remove the two hurdles. Okay, you have to remove two hurdles from your life, and that is first instant gratification activities. Okay, dopamine detox, and the second, you have your one toxic habit. Okay, one toxic habit is what, my dear friends? It's IER. What is this? We are going to discuss in few lines ahead. Okay. Remove two hurdles, my dear friends. What are those hurdles? For instant gratification activities, dopamine detox you have to do. What is dopamine detox? Understand. Dopamine detox is, when you watch a video, a motivational video, then what happens? You like that video, and again you watch, and it says, hey, it is very nice. Watch another video. Then you watch another. Then you watch another. Then you watch another. In the same happens with the songs, movie, and all. You listen one song, then you listen second, then you listen third. Acha lagta hai. You feel good from inside, and you start doing that, but you don't take any action onto that. Okay. Because, and you feel satisfied from inside. Hey, I have done it. I am going to go ahead in my life. I am going to get succeed in my life because I have listened. Hey, listening does not change your life. Listening does not change your life. Listening does not change your life. Your life gets changed with action. You don't take action in that condition. Okay, so please do the dopamine detox. And how will you do that? First thing what you have to do, block all notifications in your mobile. Okay, block all notification in your mobile. After that, my dear friends, for this what you need to do, go to settings, then notification, and then turn off notifications, all types of apps, all types of apps. हर किसी ऐप का notification आप जो है वो बंद करो. Then this includes YouTube, Facebook, my dear friend, Instagram, TikTok now it's not there, Amazon or any type of other app if you are using like TikTok. Then Flipkart, Myntra, all news and other things, my dear friends, serials, if you are watching all this, just notification should be switched off. Okay, another thing I'll say, please go to your mobile and reduce the light of your mobile. Means don't keep the good lights. Okay, reduce the light by which you should be able to not see clearly. Okay, it will give you the peace to your mind. Another thing is that, my dear friends, this such simple step can itself show immediate benefits. This simple step this dopamine detox you have to do for coming 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours means from 9 a.m. today to 9 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, means these notifications you have not to see. Another thing is that, my dear friend, for digital, here you are going to do the digital detox. And what is this digital detox? This digital detox is for the next 24 hours. No videos of any kind, no social media, no video games, no songs. You are not going to listen anything. And after that, my dear friends, remove the two hurdles. You have to remove the two hurdles. Okay, and that what are those two hurdles? First, your toxic habit, use IER. What is IER? Understand, I for identity. Means what is the one unproductive habit that takes up all your spare time? Identify what is one activity which is killing your time most of the time. Next, E for eliminate. Remove it from the root, never do it again. Means that activity you have to remove it for the root, you have not to do it again. Next, R replace with productive habit which contributes to your long-term growth and make it easily accessible, my dear friends. Means R for replace, you have to replace with the good activity which is going to help you in your career. The next thing, one toxic habit waste, my dear friends, remember, one toxic habit, 80 to 90% of your time. Implementing this today, I will dramatically transform your day. Okay, remember one thing, this toxic habit in 80% to 90%, it is consuming your 80% to 90% of your time. And my dear friends, implementing this rule, today you will dramatically transform your day. Your day will be, my dear friends, totally changed. So now, take action now. The action part has come. And what is the action part? In this video, your 3 simple action steps are: first, write down, I need to live my dream life because, and post in the WhatsApp group right now. The second, step 2, block all type of notifications from your mobile. Do digital detox for 24 hours. The next thing, my dear friends, identify, eliminate and replace your one toxic habit. You have to identify, eliminate one of your toxic habit. And my dear friends, final verse from my side, that is, if you procrastinate on killing procrastination, procrastination will kill you. So, until procrastination kill you, you kill the procrastination. Nothing can stop the man who will be, my dear friends, who will be even his own existence on his started purpose. Means nothing can stop the man who will be even his own existence on his stated purpose. Means my dear, nothing can stop you if you are taking the responsibility of your life to change it. Okay, so my dear friends, this was all about me. Action steps I am going to again post in the group. Okay, so what actions you have to take I have told you, but I am going to post in the group. Take action today. We will meet tomorrow again. Okay, you will get the video of tomorrow very soon, my dear friends. Morning tomorrow you will get the video before 5 a.m. right? So till that time we all are going to be healthy, energetic and young. And my dear friends, the most important task tomorrow, you have to wake up at 5 a.m. okay, and after waking up you have to go in the WhatsApp group and you have to only just mention good morning. What? Good morning. And today's activity, what you are going to do today, you are going to post your one thing, what is your mission, okay, what is your vision, right? So you are going to get it in the text form also in the group. So bye bye, take care, we will meet you tomorrow. Bye.